Hey, what's up, guys? Still City Dashcam here. Figure while I'm stuck in some traffic, this would be a great chance to do a quick little What Steel City Up To update. So, as it may be obvious by the actual footage I am recording right now, I bought a new camera. I bought a Vantru E2 with a front and rear camera and did a full, I have not done a hard wire, but I did full clean run of all the cables, so you really can't see anything. I will be eventually doing a review on that camera, so stay tuned for that. I just today recorded all of the raw footage to do my car review. There's probably not going to be much editing other than just combining all the clips and rolling with it, so expect to see that soon. It's going to be a full in-depth review where I don't really go over the specs so much, but more just my personal, like the facts of the car, like when you sit in the car, what's it like? What I like, what I don't like, just sort of giving an objective, or rather unbiased take on the car and what I think of it. Also in the realm of content, I've been continuing my gaming stuff. I'm randomly jumping to other games as I feel like it. You may have seen I just recently posted more Kerbal Space Program. Expect to see more of that as I struggle my way through that game. Throwing in more random stuff as it comes along, building up more songs for another rock and metal sound-alikes video. So I can't tell you when you're going to see that because I need enough to make a full video on it, but you will see that eventually. I'm also going to be doing a top 10 worst drivers by vehicle video. I went through all of my worst driver videos and tallied up what vehicle committed the act. And I came up with what I'm considering my top 10 worst driving vehicles in Pittsburgh. And it's partially unexpected. There are some things I was surprised about and a lot of things I wasn't surprised about. So what I'm going to do is, as I go through the top 10, I'm going to pick maybe not the worst clip because there's so many clips to try to remember, but a defining clip committed by each of the vehicles in the top 10 up to number 2. And number 1 will have its own video where it's going to be your average, whatever it is, driver. And a case of them merging poorly, running red lights, stopping, yielding, changing lanes. Like I'll give you an example. This is a car that is not even in the top 10. Your average Acura MDX merging, and it's going to be an Acura MDX running you into the wrong side of the road. Things like that. Just as a more kind of wacky video to demonstrate the number 1 while showing the worst of the worst of those vehicles' drivers. So expect to see that soon. I gathered hate comments for a reacting to hate comments video. I just have to figure out how I want to record that. So expect to see that in the coming week or two. I'm also going to be eventually posting a teaser. Sam and I are likely recording another Zoom video for the first time in well over a... You are just fucking going. I'm worried you're gonna fucking hit me. Sorry about that. Now I'm in the fucking intersection because you blocked me halfway through the fucking intersection. So, thanks. It's a 61A. Why is it in the left lane? Anyway. Oh, they're probably full. Anyway. Before I got obviously distracted. What was I even talking about? Fucking hate that. Anyway, I have to figure out how I want to record the hate comments video, so that will be coming once I figure that out. Other random content obviously will keep popping up, especially Apex stuff. The usual. Zoom. Yeah. We haven't recorded an episode in quite a long time, so expect to see that. A teaser for that soon. Sam and I are likely recording that tonight because it's been a while since he and I have even thoroughly chatted and hung out since he lives so far away, and those recordings were our chance to hang out. So, yeah, that's going to be popping back up, and yeah, that'll be nice. Beyond that, in personal stuff land, I had a couple random gigs recently. Have some more coming up. Things are starting to pick up. Starting to work on the stuff for my freelancing with East Allegheny. some more random gigs, all that kind of stuff. You stopped and then chose to run that. Yeah, in terms of personal, not really too much else. Do want to give a quick sort of a remembrance thing. There's a guy in our whiskey group, so I've done numerous trades with. Really, really great guy. I've been chatting with him a good bit over the last 2 years. I actually have a bottle. That's one of my special occasion bottles. It's 1792 12-year bourbon that I got from him off of a trade, and I saved that for special occasions. And unfortunately, I had a negative reason to crack that last night, as we found out he passed away far too young due to illness. So I just want to give a quick little shout out to my buddy Taylor. If you're drinking something the night you watch this, pour one for him. He's a great guy. Avid member of Pittsburgh Whiskey Friends, which is the whiskey group I am a part of. And he will be sorely missed. Beyond that, not really much else going on in the personal life realm of things. Just kind of vibing. Trying to get shit done, trying to, do my thing. Stuck in crazy traffic today. Obviously, Oakland is a mistake, and I'm not just talking traffic. I hate this fucking neighborhood. I love it, but I hate it. Yeah, in terms of content, just keep an eye out for stuff. I'm going to upload as I can. The compilations are obviously coming along, and in terms of the bad driver stuff, now there'll be rear camera footage, so the compilations will actually be a little bit more frequent now. Because as I get rear camera clips and as work picks up and I start getting more stuff driving work vehicles, some of this footage might be like 3 or 4 days worth of driving and that's it. Which is good. I mean, more content. Hopefully I don't get behind on editing. But, yeah. Hope you guys have a good rest of your week. And don't really have much else to say, so I will see you guys in the next video.